So I'll start with Gabriel did the vent for us. So as you can see, we have a over the range hood, and it's a 8-inch piping, and it comes out. And I didn't know Gabriel earlier, and once we talked, I had full confidence that he's gonna do a great job. And in this journey, every moment I had full confidence on him, and it has been really professional, very smooth, and I have not met anyone more professional than Gabriel. And everything about it is perfect. And Gabriel told us about the options. Like when we were doing it, there was a chance that maybe we'll have to cut a little more of wood. We walked through it, and everything has been really professional, and I'm fully satisfied. And I would very strongly recommend Gabriel. Like he is really awesome, and you can see I'm very happy with the work. It's really awesome, and thank you so much.